Good day everyone. Today I'll be presenting my enterprise architecture plan for public high school. This plan is designed to enhance operational efficiency, data management, and service delivery within the institution through the integration of business processes, information systems, and technology. Public high school is a government operation institution that provides accessible and quality secondary education. However, as the volume of student data and administrative tasks increases, the school faces challenges in maintaining efficiency, accuracy, and transparency. To address this, I developed an enterprise architecture composed of three interconnected systems. Student Information System for automating enrollment and student record management. Grade and Transcript Management System for recording, validating, and generating academic records. Library Catalog System for managing library resources and transactions. Each system is represented through BPMN diagrams illustrating clear process flows. The Student Information System BPMN automates student enrollment from submission of requirements to final validation by the registrar. The Grade and Transcript Management (BPMN) outlines how instructors encode and submit grades, ensuring validation and accuracy before generating transcripts. The Library Catalog (BPMN) maps out book borrowing and returning processes, promoting accountability and resource tracking. All three systems are integrated into a centralized database, ensuring data consistency and accessibility across departments. This unified structure allows seamless sharing of information between the registrar, teacher, and librarians, improve decision-making through accurate and real-time data, enhance data security and management efficiency. This database serves as the core of the school's enterprise information architecture, supporting both academic and administrative functions. Implementation and impact. The implementation of this AA plan is guided by gradual digital transformation, training staff on system usage, migrating legacy records into the centralized database, continuously monitoring and improving system performance. The impact of this plan includes improved service delivery, reduced paperwork, enhanced transparency, and stronger data-driven decision-making. Ultimately, it aligns technology within the school's mission of academic excellence and operational integrity. That's all. Thank you.